Okay, let's go on to learn our interesting example. For example 4, if x and y are real number and y is smaller than here the root of x minus 1 plus the square root of 1 minus x. Here is interesting, they're positive. Okay, and plus the half. Find the value of a, okay, here is the opposite value of 1 minus y and divided by y minus 1. Here we know here is the positive number 2. Let's have a look. X minus 1 in the square root. We know here x minus 1 have to what? X have to greater or equals 0. And here 1 minus x is greater or equals 0 too. Okay, x, we know x is greater or equals 1. And here x is smaller or equals 1. We can't greater and smaller. The same time we can't, so we can get x only can equals 1. So here is what? Here is 0. Here is 0. And here is the half. So y is smaller than half. So inside the opposite value, we can see if it's a negative or positive number. Y is smaller than half, so 1 minus y is a positive number. So we can, it's a positive 1 minus y, so here is 1 y, they are positive number, so we can get the answer is negative 1. Of course, we can write here is y minus 1, the positive. We can give a positive form, y minus 1. We can divide it, it's equals 1. So the negative 1 is the right answer. So we can write it, the right answer is negative 1. Let's go on to have a look this interesting example. For this example, simplify the square root of 1 minus 4x plus 4 times square 4. Here is the square of this radical. We don't know which is x equals what, but we can simplify it. We know here the 2x minus 3 have to be a negative, positive or 0. So it is greater or equals 0. So we can get x is greater than 1.5. So here we can write it 2x minus 1 the perfect square, or 1 minus 2x the perfect square. We know 2x minus 1 is a positive number. Of course, here is as a negative number. So it equals the opposite value 2x minus 1. We can get it, the answer is 2x minus 1. And here it equals itself. So here we can write it like 2x minus 3. So we can get 2x minus 1 and minus 2x plus 3. 2x minus 2x is 0. So we can get the right answer is 2. Let's have a look let's see this calculation. This, here is so many numbers. 2 times root of 3 minus 3 times root of 1 divided by 3 and the root of 8, and here half times the root of 12 and plus the 5/4 times the root of 50. That's calculation. Here, okay, here the same, 2 minus the root of 3. Here, the inside is 1 divided by 3. We can times 3, the same, numeric and binomial. And here equals, here is 3 and here is root of 3. So here 3 and here 3 is the 1. So we can get the root of 3. Here the root of 8. 8 we equals the squares of 2 times 2. So 2 can get out, go out. And 2 times the root of 2. And here half times 12, we can get 2 square of 2 times 3. And here we can 2 go out, run out. Okay, here equals the square root of 3. And here 1 above 5 times the root of 50 equals the square of 5 times 2. And we know 5 can run out. Only 2 inside. We can here. And here is 2. So here the same quadratic number. And here. So we can get 2 times the root of 3. And here they can get a negative root of 2. Here's the N answer, and it's the right answer. If you have any question, please send me a private message.